Welcome viewers to our YouTube channel Gann Supremacy. This is Gann Supremacy. We are looking at the Bitcoin chart, 15 minutes time frame, BTCUSD symbol, Bitsamp available on TradingView. So today we are applying our research indicator which has come after 25 years of research in Gann methods, and this indicator is based on Gann's law of vibration. So this is a very secret topic. People knowing it are reluctant to disclose its detail, but every researcher has his own interpretation of Gann's law of vibration. Okay. So in the Gann domain of knowledge, you will see a book by Tony Plummer, Gann's law of vibration. So this is the book written by Mr. Tony Plummer. Okay. So this book is available. He has done his own research. There may be other authors who are unknown to us or maybe unknown to me, but I had purchased that book. After reading that book, I could not get any clue from the author. Whatever research he has done in his own way, he has put up his research and made a book out of it. His research is on the past data which he has applied, and he has developed a pattern which keeps repeating in markets. Okay. But I found it very hard to apply it to my trading markets or to fit in my concept of Gann analysis. Okay. So I have been mostly all over the world to get the knowledge about Mr. W.D. Gann, done many courses, bought many books, and the reason for doing this is to know what is available in the name of Gann in the current trading markets and who are professing that they know and they have the requisite knowledge of W.D. Gann, and they are teaching the courses. Okay. So I have been doing this learning, researching for last 25 years in WD Gann works. I have visited international faculties online, personally, even Indian faculties online, personally, just to know how they interpret Gann knowledge. Okay. So learning a concept on your own is the best way to get the knowledge from the source. And what is the source? That is the Gann books available in the net domain, freely available. But then there is a lot of difficulty in that because it is written in a hard veiled language, and he writes something at one page and then continues it in another page. Okay. So the linking of that two things together is very very important, and he has developed lot many methods. Okay. So which to follow and when to follow, and mostly important, how to follow. Correct. So there can be thousands of system in Gann analysis because he has done lot of research. He has done more than 100 years data research. He has been to various places to do his research. He had a team of draftsmen to prepare his charts. He has used the natural laws and whatever knowledge was available in the his times, he has studied and tried to apply it to the markets. So he was the first analyst to hire a pilot, a chartered plane, to do the crop survey before his annual forecast or giving his annual forecast. So here in his interview with Richard Wyckoff, he has given some clues in that interview regarding the law of vibration. So if you are a researcher, you can go and find the clues and go ahead and do your own research. Okay. So what I will be presenting is my version of Gann's law of vibration, and with the help of that I have designed this indicator, and this is a dynamic repainting indicator which will give you the trend of the markets. Okay, so let's apply it on 15 minutes on BTC USD, Bitcoin, that is Bitsamp symbol on TradingView. So you can see two horizontal lines which are the Gann levels, important Gann levels, where we could find support or resistance as and when the price comes there. So let's do the replay, okay, on the 15 minutes time frame. So if you are seeing here in the past, this is 8th of Jan, start day. So we can see a support forming along this Gann level, and then we try to go above and then we drop below this. Then we have come to the next Gann level. Okay. So from here, after a triple bottom on 15 minutes chart, we have gone and hit the Gann level. Okay. So once you know the Gann levels, you can go and trade. So we will be concentrating on this trade. Okay. This trade till here. Okay. So we'll be playing the replay for this trade. I will be coming from a little back to see, to show you or showcase how the price action develops around Gann levels. Okay. So let's do a replay here. We will start it from 7th of Jan 1930, that is Indian Standard Time. Okay, you can see right bottom UTC plus 530. Okay, so let's do the replay. So now we are approaching the Gann level. So we expect the price action sideways here if it is taking more time to bounce back from there. Okay, so we have already two lows formed on the third low. Now that third low has come down. Okay, now we are waiting for the back test on the Gann level. So this is the second back test. Okay, third top formed. Now this is important. Okay, in Gann Three tops are important. Okay. So now we are unable to cross the Gann level. Okay. And we are coming to our target. Okay. So you could have come out here on the Gann level. Then you will see the mid cycle level not cross yet. Okay. Or even our Gann level is not touched. Okay. So we are waiting for the touch of the Gann level. Yes, we got the touch. Now we can go in with a stop loss. Okay. Now this is our trade which is formed on the Gann level, and then we are hitting on the Gann level. Okay. So what is the use of this indicator? You have to wait for the exhaustion. Okay. You can see right hand side there is a exhaustion level mark where you can book your profits. Okay. So this is the third top formed on the Gann level. Okay. So as a trader, you can look at this trade formed, and you could have entered either on the Gann level, or if you are using the indicator, then you could enter here on the violet line. Okay. And then come out on the red line. Okay. So if you don't know the Gann levels, still you can use the indicator, come in at the violet line and get out at the red line whenever your predetermined target is achieved. Now, whenever you are trading on a time frame, you should be able to record or make an observation from the past records what is the range formed on your trading time frame. Okay. Once you know the range, then you could target some amount of the percentage of the range as your trading targets. Okay. So you know where to buy, where to sell, and where to put the stop loss with the help of the range formed on your trading time frame. Okay. So this homework you should do for getting a better trading results. Okay. So that's all from me at Gann Supremacy. Keep watching us at Gann Supremacy YouTube channel, for we will be covering all the markets all over the world which are traded heavily by traders around the world. So this is a beginning from our side, and we will develop on this with our research. Thank you for joining in. Keep visiting us. So that was BTC USD trade on our indicator, which is available on TradingView under the name Gann Supremacy version 369. Okay, so if you'll go to the indicator sections, okay, then this is our indicator. Okay, this is our indicator, Gann Supremacy version 369. Okay, so if you want to use it, you have to contact us here. Okay. So that's it from my side. Thank you for joining.